Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kicked off the day, got my walk in. Had breakfast with my buddy, checked on Mom. Now I'm gonna go check this battery on Panther, try to take it out on a couple errands with me. Of course I got my jump box. When I had breakfast with my buddy, I reset the service light on this S70T5M. Oil change reminder. So let's go see what's going on with Panther's battery with the battery tester and try to get a couple errands taken care of and check my PayPal and mail people off their parts and tools. I may even stop by the junkyard, grab a part or two real quick. Having some kind of parasitic drain with the Panther. One time I'll go out of town and leave it, come back, the battery's dead. The next time I come by, the battery's fine. So I need to figure out why this is being drained down. So let's pop it open, check the battery. The battery on my car is totally dead. I can't even get it to register on my battery meter. So I'm gonna jump it and drive it around and test it. Time to clean up the Panther from the last road trip and sitting in the carport for 3 weeks. Going through the settings. High pressure rinse is next. Throwing spark plugs on this 850. Forgot to bring that trim with me. As usual, there's oil up here. I'm gonna mop up. PCV normal situation. I'm putting in Volvo plugs. I'm gonna check the gap on them. Be done with this real quick. She has Super Bosch plugs. 36, 38, 38, 38, 37. Man, I don't like those. But anyway, going back in with the Volvo double platinum for her. Hopefully that'll increase her gas mileage. 95 turbo. All done. I'm gonna ask her if she wants me to take it and wash it. Other than that, I'm gonna shut it down. Let me start it up and check this breather tube right there, see if that one's collapsing. Let's see if her hose is collapsing. A little bit hard to get at that with the throttle body cover on. Nope, not collapsing. Good to go. Wow, she's getting 24.9 gas mileage even with those bad plugs. So let's see if that increases when we check it next time. I offered to take her car to get it washed, and I'm kind of glad I did. I knocked the cable off of it when I was checking that hose, so I got the cable back on, didn't have any throttle. But I'm noticing a few things need to be taken care of. She don't have any wiper blades. Her blower motor's not working. Man, several other things going on here. So I need to take care of a few things for her. Let me go get some change and get this thing washed. Wow, a couple weird things going on in the panel. At fuse number 4 and the fuse number 36, which are both supposed to be blank, got these tiny fuses in them. But let me see which one's for the blower motor so I can see if that's blown. Girls, when I grow up, I want to buy me a car wash. Bam! That's why. Panther is starting right up, folks. Battery charged up fine after about an hour of it running. So I assume the battery's good, but I need to figure out why this thing is failing to start after I let it sit a while. Something's draining the battery. When you can't decide which wheels you want to roll with, just roll with both. They can only see one side of the car at a time. if you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.